Morning, guys. No, it's like already afternoon. It's not morning anymore. Welcome to another edition of, what do we call this? What beach are we in? So here we go again, guys. Gonna give you a day at the beach. This time in Ocean Beach in San Diego. Last time we were in Laguna. Today is a little hotter, right? It's a little hotter than it was the last time. Again, I'm in my humble abode. There's also like a surf school right on the beach. So if you want to learn, I guess, to surf, you can take lessons here. Yeah, the waves are pretty. It's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty wavy, and we'll go check it out. The surfers are over there. So the waves are breaking pretty nicely, pretty decent actually. We get maybe like 5-foot waves. It's nice actually. The breaks here are nice. Look.
Yeah.
The surfers are right there. So what can I say about this beach? It's like it has the feel of Venice Beach in LA. There seems to be a lot of like homeless people. There's some odd characters hanging out, some hippies hanging out back there. I don't know, just a weird kind of a town. I mean, it's a nice beach, so even if you're here for the beach, then it's a really nice beach. But
different vibe from you.
It's a different vibe, and I think there's also some nice restaurants around here that you can walk to, maybe around that area up there. But yeah, we'll explore. So it's a weekday. It's Wednesday,
Yeah.
and it's there's not that many people here. You know how you can tell there's a lot more police activity in the area. So might not be the safest beach, but I mean I'm pretty hopeful. I mean they look pretty harmless. It's just a little weird. The vibe is a little weird. Michelle said let's walk on the beach, so that's what we're doing. We're walking on the beach.
Isn't that romantic though? Walking on the beach?
It's romantic at night.
Doesn't matter.
Under the moonlight.
You don't like sunsets? You don't like walking on the beach?
It's not that I don't like sunsets. I can appreciate a little bit of sunset.
You don't like the sunrise?
But if you're just there staring at it and waiting for it forever to happen, right?
It's not gonna take forever. It's like a few seconds.
Exactly, that's the point. It takes a few seconds and it's gone. You look at it once, right? But there's so many people that are obsessed with it. Like every place you go, oh, there's the sunset.
Every sunset is different though.
No, it's not. It's the same sun.
No, but it's different. The clouds are different. The people over there are different. The place
you know what? Maybe I'll appreciate it more if I have something in my hand, like a cold drink.
Yeah, we could do that. We could be drinking wine while watching the sunset.
But to hang out at like a wall and wait for the sun to set, not my thing.
See, I watched the sunset in Hawaii by myself because I didn't want to come. That's how sad it is.
And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is.
2,000 years later.
So that's it for us here at Ocean Beach, guys. So did you guys have fun? Sam?
Yep.
You look tired. You don't look as tired as when we went to Laguna Beach. So we're gonna be rating this. So what do you think? Scale of 1 to 5.
That was a 2. Actually, a 3.
3. Okay. What about this one?
This one's a 4.6.
Why did you like it so much? You think so?
Yeah.
Really?
The sand is cleaner and the
Oh,
water
the
is
sand. Okay. Yeah, they're just playing. So for me, it was I'll give it a 2.5. Because of the facilities. The bathrooms aren't that clean.
Oh, okay.
Right,
And if the bath, okay, now you said bathroom, I'm going to say a 3.5.
3.5. Okay, went down a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna go eat, and of course you're gonna come with us, so stand by.
It's the end of the video, guys.
No, it's not-
Wait.
Okay, wait, go.
If you didn't know, this is actually just like something that you didn't know from me. You didn't even realize it. I was rolling upside down in the water while my uncle did Jonathan with leg going in. There was a wave, and then I had to roll backwards.
Okay. She rolled backwards in the water. So let's go eat.
Yeah.
So guys, this is one of my favorite seafood dishes. It's called a chupino. So it's different seafood in a marinara broth. So we'll